Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, where today we're going to review and give you a room tour of the West Hotel in Sydney by Curio, a Hilton collection. It's located just to the east of Darling Harbour, or the west side of Sydney. We had a suite, room 819, unbelievably quiet, fantastic hotel, really nicely put together. So as we come in through the door, immediately behind you, you've got two sets of wardrobes. One on the right hand side behind the door that we're looking at now, which has an array of shelves. And then one on the left hand side, which is glass fronted, has your robes in, and also has the lay flat safe, which actually I kind of prefer to the conventional safes that you find in hotels normally. This is also where your ironing board is, and your slippers, and the laundry bag for the laundry service, which we didn't use on this occasion. Obviously, as you may have seen from our previous videos, and particularly how we got here, we're here for quite a long time, which is why we've got a lot of luggage. But this is where you've got your coffee making station. Nice to see that there's a kettle there as well, and some tea bags. And then below that you've got your glasses, your cups for your coffee, tea, etc., and your mini fridge. Amazingly, this is one of the only mini fridges I've seen recently that's been stocked up. Although our one on Hamilton Island was, staying in other hotels recently, I've not seen that since COVID. So moving on into the kind of lounge area, you've got this lovely big TV, nice sofa, nice table with an area to sit as well. You've got your air conditioning controls to the right hand side, and you've got these glass doors that slide across to stop you going into the main bedroom area. Looking out across the window, this is where you'll see your view of Darling Harbour, and the building that you can see over in the back there is actually the Sofitel. We did visit the Champagne Bar at the Sofitel, so keep an eye out for that video. Walking through into the main bedroom area, you've got a lovely big bed as you'd expect from Hilton hotels, and in particular the Curio collection. And then you've got another TV as well. There's some cupboards under the TV, which just house your additional blankets, as well as somewhere that you can store some of your luggage if required, and there was the wireless access point for this room. What is nice is these TVs have built-in Chromecast as well, so you're able to stream to the TV from your mobile device. Walking through into the bathroom, got this lovely marble basin in front of you, lovely deep bath with another set of robes and towels. As usual, the standard amenities that you would expect from a hotel of this calibre. Lovely towel rail again, walking forward and into the completely open shower with the rain head, full shower head. Although it takes a bit of getting used to, what I do really like is the fact that most hotels now are using the reusable amenities as well, such as bottles of shower gel, etc. And then you've got the toilet, which you can access immediately from when you walk in the door, otherwise through the bedroom area. So that's it for our room tour of the Curio West Sydney Hotel. Would we stay there again? Absolutely. It's not in the most central position, and there are Hilton hotels that are more central, but for the value for money that we paid when getting that suite and the quality of room that we got, it surpassed the expectations that we had. Stay tuned for some more videos of our amazing trip across Australia through Victoria, Queensland and New South Wales, and please do remember to like and subscribe to the channel.